Hi, I'm really interested in learning about ELSS mutual funds. Can you shed some light on it?
Absolutely. ELSS stands for Equity Linked Savings Scheme, and it's a type of mutual fund that not only helps you build long-term wealth over time, but also lets you save on taxes.
Oh, that sounds interesting. How does it help with taxes?
Great question. ELSS funds are eligible for tax deductions under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act 1961. Individual and HUF can save tax up to Rs 46,800, including applicable cess, by investing up to Rs 1.5 lakh in a financial year and having a taxable income of less than Rs 50 lakhs. The said deduction will be available if investor has opted for old tax regime.
Is there anything else I should know?
Yes, since ELSS is linked to the stock market, it has the potential to offer risk-adjusted returns.
Sounds great. Thanks for making it so clear.
Anytime, feel free to reach out if you have any more questions.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.